Hello, I hope all is well with you and your family. So now we will check technical analysis for ENJ coin. Okay. So before that, let me show you a caption, picture meme. Can crypto make me millionaire? Yes, you are a billionaire. So if you don't know how to trade, you can be a millionaire. Okay, you can be a millionaire once you are a billionaire. Okay. So this boss Marty is I trade his funds. So yesterday I was in the airport. So I cannot trade. So I gave him entry and exit. So we made profit with just 200 US dollar capital. We made $50. Okay? So I am a fund manager. So we are just testing it now and we are gonna level add to our position, to our funds with the coming dump. Okay, there is a coming dump, and I hope all of you are ready for the coming dump because it's 2 to 3 days. So this is the fund. Okay, so ENJ. Okay, so we are here. So ENJ, check the weekly candle is 5 days, for still 5 days. So it is a very bearish candle. Okay, so we are still in a bearish candle. So I'm using EMA ribbon. So with the weekly candle, there's only 3 ribbon yet. It touched the support and it bounced back. So it's gonna retest it again and then here and then here. Okay? So let's check the daily time frame. So here in daily time frame, we can see a change of pattern. Okay, from uptrend to downtrend. Okay? So you see we have crossed also the Ichimoku Cloud. Ichimoku Cloud is basically a level of support. So the first support is the blue, the next support is the red, the third support is the green line in the cloud, and the last support is the red line in the cloud. Okay? So once you cross these four support, then it means it's a free fall. Okay? It's a free fall. Okay? So that's it. If it bounces just like here, you see that bounce? It touch the support of the cloud. It's so strong and it went up. Okay, you can see how powerful that cloud is. But once you break that cloud, we have tested that cloud for many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, always bounce. But now it cannot hold. Okay, so we are forming a cloud here of a bearish cloud. Okay, so in our uh, chart in 1 day time frame, if you look at the chart from top to bottom, it's still going up, right? It's still going up. But if you look at our awesome oscillator, there is no volume. Okay? If we see that this is still going up, then it means that next will continue the trend. But since it's not going up, the next trend is what's happening to our trend? It's going down. Can you see it? Here. Imagine you buy here because it's being hyped in internet. You buy to the all-time high and then you get wrecked. Why? Because you don't know how to look at the chart. So this is a clear sign that there is no volume. So it means this is the perfect place to place your short position. Imagine if you place your short position here, how much you have profit already. Okay? So I am using Awesome Oscillator. That's why it's called Awesome. It can predict. And now we are now in our downtrend. Okay? So the volume is still going low. You see the volume here? It's still going low. Okay? So it means it still has the power to go lower. Okay? There is no change of trend yet. There is no sign of any reversal yet. Okay, so it can go deeper. Okay, let's delete it and we'll show you other pattern. So what I've been drawing is a Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. So Fibonacci retracement is 50%. It's healthy if it's 50%. Okay, from top to bottom. So the perfect retracement means pull down, pull back, and then bounce again. The perfect retracement is it touches the 0.382. Okay, so if the retracement reach only here with this cloud being respected just like these three candles, it's supporting and respecting this retracement, this line, this fib line, then it has still the potential to go up. But once it touch this red line here, that 0.236, it's as picture of a new trend. Okay? Our drawing for fib retracement has been invalidated. Okay? So if you want to long this one, it should not touch this one, the red line. Since it crossed, it means we cannot place long orders here. So if it reach only here with the cloud, then it bounce back, then that's a good place to place your long position. Okay? But since it crossed, then it's invalidated. You place your stop loss here, and then it's invalidated. Okay? It's invalidated already. So, we also see a pattern here. Okay? It's a M pattern. You see M pattern? Okay? So, if you see an M pattern, where do you get your take profit? From top to bottom. And then, place it from the breakout point. Okay. So, your target profit for this breakout downtrend is here. 1.80. So, you want to make money? You can order and then you place your stop loss here. I mean, you place your take profit here. Okay? 1.803. That's where you place your stop loss. Okay, so this is for the daily time frame. For 4-hour time frame. Let's check. By the way, I am neither bull nor bear. I am only an opportunist in the market. Whatever I see, I trade. Okay, if there is a clear picture, if it's a bull sign, then I trade the bull. If it's a bear sign, then I trade the bear. Okay? So it's making money. It's all about making money. It's not about taking sides. You want to have your own bias. And you lose your money with your bias. Okay? Here, you need to be humble. So, we can see here a trend. We can call it an M. We can call it an M pattern. Okay? M pattern. Or we can call it a cup and handle. Same thing. Oops. Let's draw a cup. Okay, here's the cup. And here's the handle. So here's the handle. So from here, where do you put your take profit from cup and handle? From top to bottom. And then you place it here. So your take profit will be 1.9522. Okay? So if you want to trade this one, this is your take profit. Where do you put your stop loss? Below the resistance, above the resistance. So if this is the resistance, you see here, It's respecting. If this is the resistance, you place your stop loss above here. 2.523. Okay, so there's your stop loss. And you want to place your order? You place your order here in the line. Okay? So you place your order here in the line. Because what we will see here will either break out and then retest the previous resistance and then go down, continue the pattern. Okay, so if that happens, then you place your order here and then your stop loss here. So at least 1% stop loss. Okay, so that it takes you 100 trades to exhaust your money. Okay, so that's a principle there. You put 1% stop loss so that you will not exhaust your money in one trade and you get liquidated. So if you are wrong, then it's okay. You lose a little. Okay? So if your stop loss is here, do not place order here. Because that gap, your stop loss still will be there where the resistance is. Okay? So that's where you place your stop loss. You don't place your stop loss just anywhere and it gets hit. Okay, you need to find the strong resistance where it won't be touched. Then you place your order somewhere close. Okay? To your stop loss. Another, if you want to place your order here, what do? You don't put your 100% position. You put like 25% so that your stop loss will still be there. But if it goes down, then there's a little, it looks still like 1%. You lost 1% of your capital. Okay, because you only place. And then you can also put your order again here. Okay? So you want to know where to entry, you pull out your Fibonacci retracement and then place this one from bottom to top. Okay, where do we put? Okay, so here in the Fibonacci retracement, the resistance is here, this line, which where we put also our stop loss. This is supposed to be our stop loss, right? 2.505. So you can place your stop loss somewhere below 2518 and you can place your order somewhere close here. Okay? So every level you can place an order. Every level of resistance you can place an order because sometimes it won't be a perfect retracement that it will touch the 0.382 and then bounces down. Sometimes it will only touch this one, the 0.618. Okay? Sometimes it only touch this one, the 0.786. So if you wait here, what happens? You cannot enter the trade. Okay? But if you entered your trade here, put it a little lower, like 10% of your capital, then another 10% here. Then here, you place your 80% capital. Okay? So it's close to your stop loss and you lose nothing. Okay? And $8 cost averages. So your order position will go higher. From here, it will go higher. Okay? And your take profit is the golden ratio, 1.618. That is 1.93. Same. Same with this breakout pattern. The breakout pattern for cup and handle, it's the same. All very close. Okay? So that's how it works. If you want to make money, you want to be a millionaire, then be a billionaire. No, joke. Okay? So we make money by studying technical analysis and by spending at least 10,000 hours in the market. Once you spend 10,000 hours in the market, you are close to the pro. Okay? And once you are pro, then you become a profitable trader. Okay? So it's about spending time in the market, even if you don't trade or not. Even if you trade or you don't trade, you still check the chart daily so that you will get to know the patterns. You get to recognize the patterns right away. Okay? So I hope all is well with you and you make money. And again, our BTC is still downtrend. So you see when the BTC moves, every coin follows because of the Bitcoin dominance. And you look at it, it's still very bearish. The awesome oscillator, okay? It still has the power to go down. Okay? So careful with your trade. Still powerful for go down. Okay? So and we are getting closer to our Ichimoku Cloud crossing. This is where it gives a signal for let's use uh, BTC USD. Okay. So this is the BTC USD. Using Ichimoku Cloud, I've formed here a cup and handle, and it's the potential breakout to 20. And the head and shoulder, the potential take profit will be 14,000 to 10,000. So pulling out Fibonacci circle, we can see the big move. When the big move to happen. So it's almost crossing the Fib circle, the ring. Once it crosses, it signals a big dump again, a big move again. Okay? So we are almost crossing it. So if you have funds, the next 2 to 3 days, 14, 15, 16, we cross the line. Okay? So if you have funds, you short it. If you check the YouTubers, everybody is talking about this one. And some, even though they are bullish, they consider this one also. So the form of the head and shoulder is so close to take place. Okay? So for the altcoins, it will all be drag low. After the Bitcoin dump comes the altcoin season. So that's where we make money in the alts. Okay? After the dump. So make money in shorting the Bitcoin. If you don't know how to short this, I have a course. Okay, I have 18,888 students enrolling technical analysis from US, Canada, Nigeria, United Canada. I have this 161 countries students. Number one mainly from India and then United States. I have this course. The course will be this one. Forex Technical Stocks Crypto Analysis. So if you want to know this, then check out the link, okay? In Udemy. Okay? So let us make money in the market. Okay? And learn technical analysis. Okay? I also teach trading bots. I use bots and 3 commas, bits gap, and it's all profitable and safe. Okay? I'll be making another course about Julian EX exchange where we can do copy trade, passive income still. Okay? So all the best. Cheers.